Show me what a sleeping person looks like. Is that how you sound when you're sleeping?
Yeah. I say.
Yes, stand here. Just a little further back. Alright. Shall I show you how you really look when you're sleeping?
Yes.
This is what you look like. And then you go. And then you know what else you do in your sleep? And you go. Do you know what you sound like when you're dreaming? Yeah, that's what you like this? Yeah.